Today we are going to make a uh, flowers using A4 color sheet. Materials required for this activity is A4 color sheet. Here I have taken yellow color, green color, two different green colors. You have to make a small circles of 3 centimeter as a radius and cut nearly 15 to 20 circles. Now we'll take the circles, we'll cut a slit in between and we'll stick with the gum. Just on top of that you'll get like this. You have to stick and you'll get like this. Like this you have to make petals 20 to 25 petals and make it dry and keep it aside. After that we have to take the green color paper. I have cut into half. I have taken this. Now I am just going to rotate with the help of a boomstick. Because it's difficulty to roll with the hands, we have to rotate slowly with the help of a boomstick. If you have a long toothpick, you can use your toothpick. Slowly you rotate it. See that it's evenly coming all the side. Slowly you have to rotate all the side. See that it's come neatly. If you want to remove the stick, you can remove. If you don't want to remove the stick, slowly you just rotate with the help of your hands and bring it till the end. You will get a stem like this. The last part you are supposed to stick with the gum. It should be in the length long. You can apply to the corner of gum and keep it aside. Let it dry. Now we'll take another green color paper. We'll make it as some leaves from that. I'm just going to cut a length piece. You can take a rectangle size. I'm just going to take a rectangular piece. I'm just going to cut a leaf. If you want, you can cut like this. And just keep it aside. I'm going to take like this. If you want, you can make a bigger leaf. I'm going to make 3 to 4 leaves. So I'll just cut a slits. You can cut a slit like this. You can fold the paper into 2 and you'll get 2 leaves. Cut in between. Just keep your paper properly and bring it into the thing. You'll get a leaf. Now I'm going to try 1 more or 2 more leaf in that paper. Yeah, I got it. Excess paper you can keep it aside. Just cut your leaves and keep it ready. After opening your leaf, with the help of your scissor, just make like this. So your leaf will come like this. Just with the help of your scissor, grease your paper like this. You'll get pattern like this. Open your leaf and just rotate with the help of your scissor. You'll be getting petals like this. So when you're sticking the leaf, it will be like a natural leaf. Just hold it properly. Don't do too tough. Otherwise your paper will tear. So be carefully when you're doing the paper. Now excess paper you can keep it aside. Now I'll take my gum bottle and I'll take my stick. I'm going to start my area. I cut in the corner edge so that I can start. I'll apply little gum to that. Now I'm going to stick my first petal to that. See, you'll just like this. Apply the gum. Now you are going to facing like that. You have to stick like this. slowly, and we'll rotate this side. Take another petal, you can stick that side also. Just leave the gap up and down, not to be very close, and turn your back side. You can apply the gum. You can start sticking this one. Now we are going to stick full with this color sheet, fully this. You can start sticking all your petals. Last piece of the petal. After completing, you will be getting your petals like this. Now I am going to take my leaf. I'll just apply little gum to the stick first. You can apply gum to the stick slowly and just stick your leaf. Here I am going to stick only 2 leaf, that is more than enough. If you want to have more leaf, you can stick it at the last, but I think so 2 is more than enough. Just apply little gum to the both the leaf so that it starts sticking to that. Now see children, a beautiful flower stem is ready. You can make different colors of like this. Even you can make blue, pink, and you can keep it in your flower wash. Thank you children. Great day.